Would you look at that? How good is that? Like brand new, because it is. In this week's video, I'm gonna go over the R32, the new windscreen, and chuck in a couple parts that I've been waiting a really, really long time to chuck on the R32. I'm keen as, let's jump into it. First, I think I'm gonna clean up the shed because it's a bit dirty after that afternoon paint job. Let's get into it. That'll probably do. I was thinking about putting that fender on the wall like that one, except for the fact that it's probably going to be on the car by the end of this video, so there's not much point. But now there's a clear bench and a clear bind. You can get in, put some fun shit on the R32. Now I know you're probably thinking, if there's something I've had for multiple years that's fun to put in the Skyline, what's been stopping me? And I'll be honest, to anyone else, this thing probably isn't that fun. It's only fun to me because it is the first thing that I ever took off and I haven't been able to put it back on. The piece of trim just here with the wipers over it. Again, probably not exciting to anybody else. It's the first thing that I ever took off this car. So today, I'm gonna chuck it back in, because why not? Anyway, that piece kind of looks like that. You see that right there? Yeah, it looks like that. The bumper's not on it because I really don't want that like falling down. No, it's through there. How's it dustier on the bottom than it is on the top? Ta-da! That'll do. It still kind of looks like crap. I'm probably gonna have to hit it with some trim restorer, but I can put that on afterwards. It does have two cracks in it, one just there and then one just there that you can sort of see, which is unfortunate, but at the end of the day, it's going on a Drift 32, doesn't matter too much. It'll go on and it'll look good. Alrighty, pretty sure we've got to open up the hood. Well, here you go. Makes literally no difference, but it's on there now. This side comes all the way up here, which is fantastic. But this side over here looks like a very clean break. And again, yeah, it's definitely broken. Okay, so there's meant to be another part that comes up here, just like on that side, but it's broken. Still looks, I mean, it looks a bit better, but it really makes no difference. Just cool to have another piece of the puzzle done. Let's chuck some fenders on. And I need to open the hood again. Oh, maybe not. All back together again, minus the front bar, obviously. Can't put that on because the new pipe that I put on the left-hand side has cooked the fitment of the bumper. So I have to grind out more fiberglass. I'm gonna put that off for as long as I possibly can and just admire this thing for the shitbox that it is. Anyway, that's all I really planned to do this week. I know it wasn't much, and honestly I didn't really have much time to make anything special, which is unfortunate because last weekend I basically spent my time fixing over the issues with the windscreen rather than making a full video. So that's why this week was a little bit, how you going? But yeah, I had fun, so hope you did too. I'll see you next week.